Alright, we're still at 12046. My camera cut out. We're sitting at that 4" by 6" diameter transition. We're going to come back from there. I zeroed out the footage now that we're back in 4" diameter pipe. You got some buildup on a seam there. Got some sewer buildup. Looks like a chunk of something down there. And come out of the Y branch arm into a section of ABS plastic, I believe. I'm going to go locate this spot to the front. We're going to pause the video briefly to locate. Well, there's a look at that turn where this piping connects to the main sewer line stack, and it is clearly broken right there on the back side. We're now going to pull back through. I ran a bunch of water through the line to try to clear this out as best I could. Looks like we've got decent grade through, well, there's flat. Yeah, all this looks pretty flat. Yeah, it's a lot of stagnant water sitting just flat in that line. It's like when it was replaced, it just wasn't done with good grade. We're now back in the 2" line. It's associated with this floor drain. There's a floor drain we made this recording from. I'm going to do a little more locating, a little more flushing, see if we can't learn any more. Ending the recording though there.